see it? We need to go get some pants for Jordan because we have a campaign that we're actually doing. We're heading over to Westminster Mall, Bella Terra area. We're gonna try and get an oil change. Hopefully that works out. Then we're also going to hopefully get some clothes for him. And then, because we have to wear matching pants. But we're gonna head over there right now. But I do have this new gimbal here that I'm gonna try and use today to vlog and use the old camera. And hopefully it's pretty clear and it's pretty steady. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, we are heading over to get an oil change. And then we're going to go get Jordan some pants to match with mine. But today is more of a test to see if this gimbal works and if it's actually pretty stable. CrunchMom doesn't like it when it's all shaky. So hopefully this works out because it's pretty pricey. You can kind of look at it like that. And there's Jordan. And there's Kaiya. Hi, Kaiya. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we just got an oil change. We came to Bella Terra. We're gonna go shopping for Jordan's shorts. Come on out, guys.
Jordan doing my math.
Yeah, this is pretty stable. Let's see how it looks this way. Where are you gonna go?
On the grass.
Oh. Check it out! Look at CrunchMom's here too. We're gonna do a quick little mukbang. Well, I don't know how much you guys are actually gonna see, but we stopped by at Subway to get some lunch, and we're gonna do a quick little mukbang. Oh my goodness, she's just like Jordan. All right, let's eat.
Yay!
How is it?
Olive.
Here, Kaya, you could have some of this one.
This one has olive and pickles.
Okay, so Jordan has the turkey breast. CrunchMom has the black forest ham. And Daddy's got the cold cut trio.
We have the olive too. I don't need the olive.
Okay,
Kaya, we got extra olives in this one for you.
That's olive too.
Mmm.
I want extra pickle.
Here, take a bite of the sandwich.
Mmm. I want the pickle. Best thing ever.
Is it? Let us know what's your go-to Subway order.
Mmm.
Here, Mommy should eat some of this while she's eating some of that.
So good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't remember the last time we had Subway.
Probably when we did the video.
Yeah.
Wait, did we do the Subway video?
Mm-hmm.
We did?
We did.
Mm. Oh, it's gonna be a lot. Here, I'll just go like this. Shoop, shoop. There you go. But yeah, let us know down below, what is your go-to Subway order? I love a good cold cut.
Pickle.
It's all like turkey-based deli meats.
I want pickle,
Oh,
Mom.
I'm okay. Thank you.
could try it.
Okay.
It's put together.
Oh, that's good toasted.
She says eating the pickles. You're
Try it.
sneaky.
Try this one. Right there. Come give it a try. They can't see you over there. And I usually get it with all the veggies in it.
And you got all of it.
Uh-huh. Anything and everything they have, veggies-wise, I get all of it.
I got it.
And then I got the Chipotle, Baja Chipotle sauce on the side too. It's kind of nice having Subway every once in a while. There's so many people in this mukbang today. Here you go. And pickle. Here you go. Hold your sandwich. There's olives in there.
Look at, do you want more olives?
There's more olives.
Yeah, it's gonna come with spinach.
And
Open up.
spinach. Jordan, how's your sandwich? Do you know Do you know what you have on there?
He made it, or he asked. He directed her or told her what she wanted on it.
Like the pickle, Mommy.
So he got the turkey
you ate it.
sandwich. On what kind of bread? Do you remember?
There's a pickle.
Eat it together.
cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy. I
He
can't
got
get it,
the
Mommy.
he got the turkey on herb and cheese. What kind of cheese did you get?
The round half.
Mm-hmm. The semicircle, remember? We learned that.
Circle.
Semicircle.
Circle.
Yeah, that one's the provolone. It's the type of cheese. And then,
It's good.
did you get it toasted or not toasted?
Toasted.
Mm-hmm. We got it toasted. And then,
I got the pickle.
and then what kind of veggies did you put in there?
Cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
Spinach.
Uh-huh.
Lettuce. Pickles.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is that it? I think that might be it, actually.
Turkey.
Yeah, and turkey. Here, have a bite. You can have the first bite. Right here. Big bite. Here it comes. The choo-choo train Subway sandwich. Nice, nice.
There we go.
She crawls around just like Jordan does. What's up with kids and climbing things? Then again, I used to do that as a kid
Yeah,
too.
I used to do it.
But it's weird how it's such a... It's
Yeah,
funny how it's like...
just the cheese and ham and bread.
How it's so natural to just start randomly climbing things. We're like little monkeys. Oh my goodness.
Is this Kaiya's first car mukbang?
So,
Yay!
it is.
Look at wood.
It's Crunch Baby's first car mukbang.
There's olive on the bottom.
Well, all of them. There you go.
Whoa!
Oh dear, Kaiya.
Dad, good thing you got the olive before it fell down.
You're dropping everything down there. There's a lot of stuff down here.
My Dorito time.
Burrito time?
Dorito chips time. Dorito.
There you go.
Good.
Kaiya, let's finish this so you can have some Doritos. Good job. Now you're taking big bites. That's pretty good. All right, guys. We're going to finish up here, and then we're going to head inside and grab some more stuff. We're at Westminster Mall right now. See you guys. So we are home now. We bought some clothes for Jordan. We got him some pants. Hi, Jordan. Can you guys show your hats? Show what Baba made. What did Baba make? What is that? What is it? Jordan, what was it?
It's a hat.
It's a hat. Check. Whoa! Check it out. Check it out. There's a sword. Nice. All right, so we're home now. The gimbal works pretty good. It just I got to get used to playing.
Mommy, that sword.
Oh, no hat. All right, so we're all done. We got home. That was just a little test of the gimbal. You guys got to see a little bit of the CrunchTube and us doing a little mukbang. Yeah, so far, not too bad. This thing's kind of cool. We're gonna take it to Disneyland and see how that goes. So hopefully I can get it a little bit more stable when we're walking around. So that was it. We'll see you guys next time. It was just a short video just to test out the gimbal. It looks pretty steady. I have image stabilization on the camera and on the lens. So, hi. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're jumping. Oh, gosh. Okay. All right, go. Continue to go draw and color.
Yeah.
Okay, go.